Do your upper traps always feel tight? Stretching, rolling them out with a crossball, or rubbing them feels good, but the symptoms always return, and you're frustrated because you want a long-term solution? Hey everyone, this is Dr. Zach Greenwood here, Performance Sport and Spine. In this video, I'm going to say why you want to ditch the crossball and how exercises are actually going to be the long-term solution for your tight upper traps. So there's this common belief that if you have tight muscles, performing some sort of activity or exercise will only make the muscles tighter. And this makes sense at face value, but I'm going to quickly explain why this isn't actually happening. Commonly, the muscle is tight due to inactivity, not overuse. And by exercising and strengthening that muscle, you actually make the muscle healthier and making it relax, i.e. decreasing your feeling of tightness. And more specifically, how this is accomplished is it increases blood flow, it increases the strength and endurance of those muscles, it improves mood and general health, and then lastly, if you don't use something or something is immobilized for long enough, it's going to feel tight. So by just moving that area, it improves it. So incline shrug. So on an incline bench, or if you don't have that, put some pillows on your couch or your bed, hold some light weights with your elbow fully straightened or extended, and you're going to pull your weights up, pulling your shoulder blades towards your spine, and then return to the starting position. As you pull up, you want to feel tension between your shoulder blades and in your upper traps. Now again, it's better to start with a lighter weight than you think, and then gradually progress over time. And you want to really make sure you have that full range of motion. So as you pull up, really think about squeezing your shoulder blades together and then letting the weight fall back as far as it can down towards the floor. So the incline Y. Laying on the incline bench on your chest with your elbows straight, hold light weights or no weight at all, and keeping your elbow straight, raise your arm up into a V motion. Make sure you feel tension over the back of your shoulder. When you do this, you want to minimize the arch in your back, so you should not feel tension in your back. You can keep your elbows straight and lift up with your shoulders. As you do this, you feel tension in your upper back, and you may want to bend your elbows. Try to minimize that as much as you can, and lift slow and controlled. The third exercise is incline T. So on the incline bench, hold light weights. Maybe just use your hands if it's too challenging. Keep your elbows straight. You're going to pull your arms out into the T motion, and then return to the starting position. As you lift your arms, you want to pull your shoulder blades towards your spine, so you should feel tension in your upper back and your upper traps and those rhomboids between your shoulder blades. Make sure to get your arm as far back as you can, and as you go, try to keep your arms in line with your shoulders, and then return to the starting position. External rotation with the press. Laying on the incline bench with your elbows bent at 90 and your upper arm at 90. Rotate your shoulders so your arms are forward and press outwards towards the wall, parallel to your head. Return to the starting position. Start without weights. To increase the difficulty, you can hold light weights and again rotate and press outwards and come back. Make sure to feel tension in the posterior shoulder and minimize any back extension. And with all our videos, there's no one size fits all. So we'll give you some general parameters, but it's always good to tailor it to your current condition. And probably with upper traps, whatever you want to do, cut it in half and then start there. Now we'll cover some exercises that we've had great success with reducing upper trap tightness. We do have another video, some other exercises that you may also find beneficial, and we'll put the link in the description below. It's also important to look at global factors, such as poor sleep, poor health or poor diet, chronic systemic factors such as high blood pressure, work stress, life stress, and then just general inactivity. So the World Health Organization recommends 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week and resistance training twice a week. So making sure you hit those baseline parameters is probably going to help any tight muscle on your body. Thank you so much for watching our video on upper trap tightness. Exercises really are the only long-term solution we have to decreasing our symptoms in a permanent capacity. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check out our other videos.